Download the Hype Bus Drive mobile application. The application is available on App Store and iOS Store. Let's begin registration process. Enter driver personal details here. Enter driver additional information. Enter driver name, address, email ID, phone number, driver license number. Select associated school and click on submit button and next. Select the document name, like driving license, then enter driving license number, select expiry date and upload picture. Once the final submitted application, school premises will review the driver details and verify the approved driver and assign upcoming trips details to the driver. Every day, trips are scheduled by the school premises through the Hype school management system. The assigned bus driver can view all upcoming trip details directly in the Hype Bus Driver mobile application. Drivers will be able to see 8-12 morning trips, afternoon trips, Hasia Chand evening trips. Each trip includes important details such as scheduled start time, pick-up and drop-off locations, route information, number of students, passengers. The driver is responsible for starting the trip at the given scheduled time by tapping Start Trip in the app once ready.